Hi everyone, Chris here with the Weather Changers Heating and Air, and today we're talking about 4 big reasons why adding a whole house humidifier to your home can make a huge difference, especially here in dry Colorado. Winters can leave your home feeling dry and uncomfortable, but a whole house humidifier can help. Here are some key benefits. Now let's break down the 3 types of humidifiers we install and which one might be the best for your home. This is a bypass humidifier. It uses your existing furnace fan to circulate humidified air. It's great for smaller homes or ranch style layouts. The initial cost is $1,100. That includes the equipment, on-demand humidistat, and installation. Number 2, a fan-powered humidifier. It has its own built-in fan for more efficient humidity distribution, a step up in performance from bypass models. The installed cost is $1,300. That includes the equipment, humidistat, and installation. And finally, 3, the steam humidifier, the most efficient and powerful option, ideal for larger or multi-level homes. Requires an electrical evaluation due to the power needs. Those do take 240 volts. Installed costs around $2,950 with everything included. Every home and HVAC setup is a little different, so best way to know what you need is to schedule a free appointment. Call us at 303-340-0077 and we'll get you help to find the perfect fit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more home comfort tips. And contact the Weather Changers for all your humidifier needs.